Our last speaker of this session is Dr. Song-Gu Han from the KISTEP. Song-Gu Han is the Director of a Creative Economy Innovation Center at KISTEP. He has been awarded the President's Award given by the President of Korea, who has made a distinguished contribution to the field of science and technology policy. He earned a doctorate degree in public policy from Seoul National University. Today, he will speak on the technology innovation policy for the creative economy. Please welcome Dr. Han.
Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Song-Gu Han. It's my honor to make a presentation to distinguished audience. Today's topic is technology innovation policy for the creative economy in Korea. The outline of my presentation includes background, concept, and key agenda for the creative economy in Korea. First of all, I'd like to talk about the background of my presentation. As you know, our world economy is very closely connected with global trends experienced worldwide, such as global competition, a hyper-connected society, and aging society, and financial crisis. In today's world, what generates added value is proceeding from labor, capital, knowledge, information to innovative technologies and creative ideas. Accordingly, many countries around the world is shifting their economic paradigm by using innovation and creativity to open new market and create new jobs. In case of Korea, Korean government has concentrated technological catch-up strategy in the past 40 years. However, in recent times, its catch-up strategy has rapidly changed to the first move technology. As you know, Korea joined the Development Assistance Committee of the OECD in 2009, becoming the first countries to go from aid receipt to donor. However, there are shadows that pose the main challenge for Korea in its attempt to maintain high-speed growth. As you can see, Korea's potential rate has diminished with a rapidly aging population, and the level of industrial innovation is still lower than advanced countries. As well, unemployment remains a serious issue. Then, what is the solution to slow growth? In order to cope with these global challenges, Korean government needed to pursue new vision, new strategy, new economic paradigm, so-called creative economy. In other words, the creative economy is a latter product of economic paradigm evolution from Industrial Revolution to the present. Now, I'd like to move on to the concept of creative economy. Generally speaking, creative economy is defined creating new industry and job by combining people's imagination and creativity with our advanced science, technology, and ICT capability. And creative economy is defined on economy that generates new added value, job, and growth engine with its top priority on creativity. This diagram shows the flow and the process of for the policy flow for the creative economy. I think the science and technology is the most important factor for to achieving economic growth, national welfare, and establishing the base of the creative economy. Korean creative economy has main three directions. First, we utilize globally renowned Korean conglomerates such as Samsung and Hyundai. Secondly, we are revitalizing entrepreneurship. And thirdly, we pursue the collaboration and convergence among science, technology, ICT, culture, and art. I'm going to explain the action plan for the creative economy in Korea. In response to global challenges, Korean government established a new creative economy strategy in 2013. This plan contains 3 goals and 6 strategies. I'd like to talk about the detailed strategy, several strategies. Firstly, Korean government is trying to set up efficient ecosystem to encourage and support the startup and small and medium-sized enterprise in Korea. And Korean government is promote of technology, startup, and developing venture funding system. And vitalized of creative funding and financial innovation system. And Korean government also implemented creative vitamin projects, which is aimed at enhancing competitiveness for existing industries such as agriculture, culture, food, environmental, and health. And they set up this system by applying the ICT and science technology to existing industry. Thirdly, Korea government is trying to generate new growth engine we selected 13 new growth engines, and this aim to the convergence between existing industry and ICT and science technology. And Korean government is reforming a governmental regulation system, such as abolition, ineffective and unnecessary regulation. I think one of the core technology for the creative economy is biotechnology. According to the OECD report in 2009, bioeconomy is realized in 2030. So Korean government established a new strategy to promote this area technology promotion. And I'll go on the online and offline platform for the creative economy. In response to global, Korea is supporting communication and commercialization of ideas by providing a specialized mentor system via creative economy town. This system is online open platform for idea development. We also established 17 Creative Economy Innovation Center as a creative hub of a regional innovation system. This shows the distribution of 17 Creative Economy Innovation Center. This is the Daegu Center is the first established innovation center. They set up a creative lab and creative fashion design campus and IoT convergence model complex. The second example is the Pangyo Creative Economy Valley. This center is focused on to global cooperation and big data, IoT, and clouding. In conclusion, in my opinion, I think a Korean creative economy policy is very efficient and effective policy tool to promote Korean new market, new industry, and national growth, economic growth. So this experience in Korea have various policy implications for developing country. Thank you for attention.